Hi guys, today we are going to create a video on MultiChart sync, which is a new feature that we added. So as you might be aware, we always had the ability to create multiple chart layouts, multiple panels within the same window, but now we have added the feature of syncing all of them on a couple of parameters. So we're gonna deep dive into that. So this is a single chart window, right? So you just see this chart of Reliance on a 1 hour scale. Now, if you wish to see two charts, you could use the buttons on the bottom left corner. And for example, if I want a two-column chart, I would click on the two-column window, and this will create two charts, both Reliance. Now, if I want to change from Reliance to say Nifty, I can go ahead and do that. So I just need to click on that chart, and then the controls remain the same. So if I want to change this one to say 1 hour to say 4 hours or 30 minutes, I can do that. And now this is a 30-minute chart, okay, on Reliance, and this is a 1 hour chart on Nifty, right? And I can also do something like I can have like a Renko chart on the right hand side and a Reliance chart on the left hand side, right? Candlestick chart. So these are lots of things I can do. But there are times when I want like to kind of synchronize things. So whenever I change certain parameters on one chart panel, it should kind of replicate on the others. So that's multi-chart. So for example, in order for us to be able to do that, so you have to click on these three dot button. So these are the other basically formats in which you can find your data. So I can do something like this, right? I can do something like two column or two rows, anything that you want, right? So let's for this demo purpose, we're going to use a two column chart, right? Now suppose I use something called a sync chart type that will make sure that all charts across all the panels are the same. So right now the left hand chart is a candlestick, the right hand chart is a Renko chart. So if I want to go ahead and click on this, this will make sure that both the charts are of the same chart type. So now both of them are Renko, right? Now, if I want to go ahead and change any one of this, it will kind of percolate to all of them. So if I want to change to line, so both of them became a line chart. So that's how basically you can sync a couple of panels or multi-panels using chart types. Now I'm going to go ahead and disable this. Now let's look at intervals, right? So right now the left hand chart is on a 30-minute interval, the right hand on a 1 hour interval, but I want to sync all of them together. So when I go to sync, this will make sure that now the left hand and the right hand are both on 1 hour scale. So this has synchronized the time interval across the charts across all the panels. Now, if I were to find a kind of go ahead and change it to say, I'm making it up, say 5 minute chart, it will apply on both the panels. So now, as you can see, both the panels are 5 minute charts. So that's the advantage of having synchronized intervals. And finally, we have synchronized symbols. So right now, the left hand is Reliance, right hand is Nifty. I want to synchronize both of them. I want to see Reliance on both of them. So I use synchronize, and now both the panels are Nifty, right? Now, if I go ahead and change the 15-minute chart, it will change because my intervals are no longer in sync. So I can go ahead and change any one of them. So right now, the left hand is Nifty 15 minutes, the right hand is Nifty 5 minutes. Now that my intervals are synced, whenever I change a symbol, it will apply on both the panels. So now from say Nifty, I want to go to Bank Nifty, okay? And I just click on Bank Nifty, it will apply on both the panels. So now both the panels are Bank Nifty, one on 15-minute, one on 5 minute. So and you can do a combination of all of these parameters like I mentioned. So this is the advantage of having multi-chart synchronization abilities. Thank you so much for your time.